Okay, we are at gotomath.com working some calculus problems. We are under differentiation. We're going through the rules of differentiation and looking at all the different functions that we can take the derivative of when we're bored. Anyway, this particular one here comes from this section. We want to find the derivative. This notation is d over dx means, look, we want to take the derivative of this with respect to x. So just some different notation than you might have been seeing there. But anyway, oh my god, are you kidding me? We're going to be here all day. We got to do the product rule to this, and then the product rule to that, and consolidate, and no way. We're not going to do that. So, I mean, seriously, I'm not going to do all that. Let's see here. Let's writing something down here real quick. Okay. Let's see. Okay, all right. Let's move over to the classroom, erase the board, and look at this problem. So we're taking the derivative of d, that's what this means right here, take the derivative with respect to x, and we've got sine of 9x times cosine of 4x plus 1 plus, and then we have the cosine of 9x times sine of 4x plus 1. Alright, we don't want to take the derivative of this. This is something that you had to have remembered back in your trig class, and that is we're going to be using the sum of two angles, and that's the sine of a plus b, okay? And that's basically what this is expanded out. So let's take a look at this. We're going to remind ourselves what the sum of two angles is, and that is, this is sine a times cosine b plus cosine a times sine b. So in this particular case here, a is going to be equal to, let's say, 9x, and b is going to be equal to 4x plus 1. You see that? 9x and 4x, so this is 9x and that's 4x plus 1. But we can consolidate, if we can consolidate all of this into, guess what? Sine, if a is 9x and b is 4x plus 1, look what this all condenses down to. Sine of, what is that? 13? Forgot how to add or what? My God, I've been studying that Common Core. 13x plus, been studying that Common Core math, and it's gotten me confused. My God, what a waste of time. Alright, where are we at here? Lord, sine of 13x plus 1. So we're taking the derivative of this, okay? This is what we're going to take the derivative of, and I find it's going to be a little bit easier than trying to take the derivative of all that. Oh my God. So we condensed this back down because we recognize that this was the sum of two angles, and this was one angle and this was the other angle, and then there was the dingle of the dangle. Well, anyway, it's a different story for another day. So now this is easy to take the derivative of. What's derivative of sine? Derivative of sine is cosine. That's an equal sign there, by the way. It's cosine, and then rewrite everything in parentheses, would you please? And then we want to take the derivative of the inside and bring it out such